Hello everyone, Carlos here. We are on keyboard shortcut number 17, which is gonna be about Alt, Shift, arrow right or left, which is the way to go in case you're hiding columns or rows in the area of work or your work area of where you're doing analysis or your report, okay? Why? Let me show you. For example, we left it in the previous video where we actually hide column C. Okay, let's just do backup, Control C, and then if you wanted to hide it, okay, say in this worksheet, the way you want to do it is actually select Control Spacebar to select the whole column, and then Alt Shift, okay, arrow right, and then that's neat. That's actually the way to go because you saw that right here on the top, this line with the minus button appear up, meaning saying, hey, look, this column got grouped. And the way to go is actually grouping columns, not hiding. Try not to hide columns if it's within your work area. If it's outside of it, like I did, like I showed in the previous video, then okay. But for this one, we actually want to do it this way. And now we can actually, you can now, when you get to this point, now actually you can do Control 9 to hide it. Actually, sorry, Control 0. And now, the cool thing about this is that you at least you have some sort of clue or some sort of signal that tells you that in between column B and D, you have this button, and it kind of indicates that a column was hidden or a column was put away for some reason, but at least you have the button to really indicate yourself if you have to come back to the workbook or for another person that, hey, there's a column hidden here because of that button, okay? Now, say that you wanted to open it with your keyboard, then you have to get into the two adjacent columns in between and then do Shift F10, okay? And then do U, okay? U because it's the letter that is underlined on this option, okay? So do U and then. Now there's a keyboard shortcut that actually is Control Shift and then this one, but for example, it doesn't work for me. I have seen it on the internet, but it doesn't work for me. That's why I go for the safe way. Do Control C if you wanted to do it universally. It's gonna work in any keyboard shortcut, or actually in any keyboard, either laptop or desktop. Just go to the two columns adjacent, highlight them. So Control Spacebar, highlight the two adjacent columns, and then Shift FF10, and then U to unhide. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the agenda real quick because that's what it's pretty much for, to group in columns. And I want you to group columns instead of hide columns if it's within or inside your work area, okay? And that's why they're useful, because they give you some sort of clue or indicate that there's a column hidden here because they put that minus button right there, okay? Now, the other thing, and maybe I can conclude this video here, is to how to hide those buttons, okay? For example, some people, sometimes they have to present information, and these, for example, this button right here, let me just do this, right here is taking some area from, or some screen real estate from your window, okay, or from your screen, and you actually sort of don't want to see them, okay? You know that you hide the column, but you, for that time, for that presentation, you want to actually just hide this section right here. The way to do this, and then escape right here, is to actually press Control 8. Once you do that, you're hitting, okay? So you can still have the column visible, but you can take out that part right here. So you take out the buttons. That's what I mean. Control 8, okay? Control 8 and that. So say, for example, now we can practice a little bit more. You're in column H. Now, for example, maybe you want to hide the customer information because of, you don't want to show it. Control Spacebar. And you also want to take out the customer ID. So you can select those two columns, okay? I did Shift arrow, left arrow, and then now we can actually do Shift Alt, right arrow, okay? Now that's for grouping these two columns, okay? But if you wanted to ungroup them by any chance, then you have to press Shift, well, you go to that section again, those two columns, okay? Shift Alt, left arrow, sorry. And you ungroup them, okay? So ungrouping, actually grouping with the right arrow, ungrouping with the left arrow, okay? Grouping, ungrouping, grouping, ungrouping. Now I wish those two like small dots could be a bit bigger, because they're pretty much telling you that these are the two columns that have been grouped in this section right here. Okay, so now we back up and now we press. The other cool thing is that they about this keyboard shortcut is that you're adding these two buttons that pretty much are telling you if you click one, it's gonna compact everything that it was actually grouped. So if you press 2, it's actually gonna go the second level that is gonna be opened up right here. So the cool thing about this, for example, we can actually do this, select these two columns, and I'll show you. Shift Alt, left arrow, and I'm just gonna include one more, okay? This one, chip mode, and now Control Shift, Shift. Sorry if I say Control. This Alt Shift, right arrow, and now say that you wanna maybe have an under level for some reason. You can have that too. For example, customer name, we can do Control Spacebar and do Shift Alt arrow, and now we have some sort of under level. So you can see now we have 3 levels of groupings. Okay, I think this is a way to go if you want to hide columns. Okay, you have more control of what you can hide. Maybe you have a level of hiding columns and another second level of hiding the other columns in between because some other specific reason. So in this case, now we can press Control 0 and we have hidden this part right here. And now we can actually Control Spacebar, span this selection right here and do Control 0. And now you can see that this whole selection is open. If we click on the button, we can see that, okay, there's the two columns of level 2, because I'm talking about this right here by indicated by this button right here, are showing. But if I wanted to show level 3, then it will show. Now these buttons become useful because now with the mouse you can actually click 1 and it will hide everything. Okay, you can see now, for example, those 2 columns are here, but maybe you can click on the button 2 and now you can actually see that it opened this column right here, it opened this column right here, but it didn't open the column where it has a customer name. So I believe you sort of have control on what to show, or kind of like peeling the onion here. Okay, so you have to see how you set it up. But I think the keyboard shortcut really, I want you to take out that don't hide columns if they're within or inside your work area. Group them, because group them give you this tool right here, the outline tool, to leave a trace that some columns are hidden for something, for some specific reason, but at least you have the button to sort of signal you that there's stuff hidden in these columns. Or it can also work with rows. Okay, let me just do with row a little bit so you can see that the only difference is gonna add a little bit more space. Say that you wanted to hide these columns, Shift Alt arrow right, and you can see now that those rows are hidden, but at least you get this area right here that it tells you, for example, that some rows are hidden. So the button is really useful to indicate that. And that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I'll see you for number 18, and thank you for watching.